Guess what we are cooking today? Kichwa ya mbuzi. Akona kwa Swahili. A goat's head. So we got this goat's head from our local butcher. Growing up, I've told you before, we used to have so many goats and we would slaughter like every once in a while. So this is not acquired. This is something I've eaten before, but just didn't, get time to do. But now that we found it, we can have it. I don't have goats of my own as an adult, but very soon, inshallah. Okay, cool. So what we want to do is get sure that all these hairs are eliminated by burning them on a charcoal stove. So I'm just going to go make a charcoal stove and I'll show you that process. Stay around because it's not going to take long. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, share, comment. It means and goes a long way. So there we are. That's what we have and we are dealing with. Do you know what I found? A tick. Parasites can really just even be on you even when you're long dead. Be aware of parasites in your life. Let's go to the charcoal stove. So you're going to grab your goat's head and then you put it on fire like that and let the fire go through. So you will need a knife and I'll show you how to use it. In the meantime, wandika mu comment section ogamenti sala muwanvu, ogamenti Rita mumpi, Rita amanyi okufumba, afumbe ekyenkya. I say if you're not on TikTok, you guys are missing out on so much humor. So as you can see, the hairs eventually start to burn off and you want to keep on scraping them off until all of the hair is gone and all you're remaining with is just the skin. This is going to be a bit tedious and take some good time, but it's all good. We got the time, don't we? Mweyagale lamu bwensi wa kiseera ofa buli omu akuteeka waayagala omu akola byayagala nze okusanga embuzi abadde teyagala nnyo kasooli kyokka tugenda girirako kawunga owulidde weyagale kuno Kampala nebyensi byakuleka mukadde wange. Did you know that a goat does not have upper teeth? It doesn't have molars because its job is to steal bananas and what? And mkamba, sweet potatoes. That is why. The goat only has these ones, the lower teeth, canines and incisors. Incisors no chibijukiwe. How many sets of teeth are we supposed to have? Wandika ogamenti nina incisors 2 ne canine 2. Oyongera ogamenti sala muwanvu. Oh my God! I really hope this video just runs on my Ugandan because there are timelines. Babana yabebwere tebagenda tegeera biki bitwogerako ne sala muwanvu. Do you know something I always ask myself? At what stage do the witches finally decide? Because I don't know like an age mate who is like a witch or a singer, like those things. All of them are in a particular age group, like 45, 50, 60, like they grow up and now somehow they know all the herbs, somehow they are go to the ones bakuze embezamino amahembe nibo bakwihe mbagweta choburo, things like those. At what age do you transition and you're like ancestor now switch? Do they grow up when they are witches and then they later on they just now solidify it? You know they always say bad people also grow up. Waliwo mbozi wano ku YouTube mbozi ya Rasta. That's again the South. I swear I was watching this story on some channel, Ugandan channel. Mbozi Rasta again the South. Rasta yali omuvuzi wa taxi. Yatuka South Africa nafukirawo musawo Muganda. Owulidde bagenda eri mabega ne bateekamu amaloboozi yana akulala n'agamba ono kiza okuba nga kimusumbwa kati emirimu gye tegitambula, n'agamba waliwo yakuluga emirimu gyo tegitambula. Sasa ng'agamba njagala miliyoni 3 okukujjako. So now you grow your career like that and somehow you grow up and that's who you are now. So we are done roasting it. We are going to wash it in this water, but it has attracted so many flies. I actually brought a new brush to help me brush its teeth to give it a good farewell. This goat wasn't brushing its teeth even in its life. But the aroma is really good. It's like smoked. So after washing it, I would have put it in a pot and put it on the charcoal stove. But as you can see me, I ain't got no patience. I am hungry and I need to eat ASAP. We're going to put it directly in the pressure cooker. And then I'm going to add in some green onions. And then I'll also chop some carrots. Remember, this is going to cook for long, so I need chunks of carrot. The carrot is also going to help us regulate the salt. So that's why we are making chunks. Bunch of cilantro, a few cloves of garlic. Then I'll add in my salt. If you want to season the water, test to be sure. Yep, there's some more needed. I'm going to add in corns of black pepper. Make sure the pressure is sealed in, and I'll put that aside to cook for 1 hour. This is bean and tendon. I thank God for this pressure cooker. I bought it about 5 years ago or 6, and it's holding on so well. So the goat head is done, and I've released all of the pressure. So now I'm just going to open it. Oh, it's heavy. I'm going to strain it, and then we are going to serve some of it in a bowl and put together this platter and we enjoy. So let the goat head cool down a bit so that I'm able to handle it, and that's it. I will show you.